After successfully saving $5,000 and investing in Bitcoin, David was hooked on the world of cryptocurrencies. He continued to research and learn about different cryptocurrencies, their potential, and their risks. He set a new goal for himself: to save $10,000 and invest it in the best cryptocurrency he could find. David knew that it would be challenging to save another $5,000, but he was motivated by the success of his previous investment. He started by making small changes to his lifestyle, such as using coupons, buying generic brands, and reducing his electricity consumption. He also increased his freelance work and started doing odd jobs for his neighbors and friends to earn extra money. He continued to cook his meals at home and limit his entertainment expenses, which helped him save money each month. He also decided to sell some of his belongings that he no longer needed, including old electronics and clothing. As he saved more money, David started to research different cryptocurrencies. He read news articles, followed market trends, and listened to experts' opinions to identify the best investment opportunities. After careful consideration, David decided to invest his $10,000 in Ethereum, which was gaining popularity among investors. David's investment in Ethereum turned out to be a wise decision. Over the next few years, the cryptocurrency market exploded, and the value of Ethereum skyrocketed. David's $10,000 investment turned into $100,000 within a year. David continued to hold his Ethereum and reinvested his profits into other cryptocurrencies. He diversified his portfolio and invested in other cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin, Solana, Polkadot, Cosmos, Chainlink. David's portfolio continued to grow, and he became a millionaire within 5 years of his first investment. David's journey was not without its challenges, though. He experienced market fluctuations and had to weather significant dips in his portfolio's value. But he stayed committed to his investment strategy and was patient during the bear markets. His discipline and focus paid off in the end, and he reaped the benefits of his long-term investments. In the end, David's $10,000 investment in Ethereum turned into $2 million. An extraordinary return on investment. His story is a testament to the potential of cryptocurrencies and the importance of patience, discipline, and hard work when it comes to investing. David's success shows that anyone can become a successful investor with the right mindset, strategy, and a little bit of luck. Join us today as we freely educate about blockchain businesses, cryptocurrencies, emerging technologies, and many exciting ideas and trends that will make you smart like David and be happy. Subscribe to our channel today and start a sweet journey in learning.